Are you looking for an engaging way to grow your online presence? Look no further than TikTok affiliate marketing. This marketing strategy leverages the power of TikTok users and influencers to help promote products and services to a broad audience in an exciting, interactive way. With its massive user base, over 800 million active users worldwide, marketers can reach millions of potential customers and increase their brand's visibility. Hit the bell icon and join the TikTok affiliate marketing revolution today. You won't regret it. TikTok affiliate marketing has been gaining traction as one of the most profitable and powerful ways to make money online. It's an excellent way for potential entrepreneurs to monetize their content by utilizing TikTok's vast user base and marketing platform. With the right strategy, you can quickly maximize your earnings through affiliate marketing on TikTok. If you're looking for a new way to make money, affiliate marketing on TikTok is the perfect opportunity. Get started today. Join the thousands of people profiting from their efforts. By joining the TikTok affiliate marketing program, you can access exclusive tools and tips to help you make the most of your efforts. Set up campaigns, track results, optimize your content to increase your earnings. Take advantage of this incredible opportunity to make money online. Scope of TikTok affiliate marketing. TikTok affiliate marketing is an effective way to monetize your content and increase business sales. It allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services on the platform. You get a unique, trackable link to share with others to generate sales. As an affiliate marketer, it's essential to understand the scope of content you can promote on TikTok to be successful. You can promote products, e-commerce stores, digital services, affiliate programs, and referral links. You can also create engaging content, such as tutorials and reviews to drive more sales. With TikTok's reach and popularity, you have the potential to earn substantial commission from your marketing efforts. How I make money on TikTok with affiliate marketing. First, I create content that resonates with my audience. Since my TikTok page is focused on fashion and lifestyle tips, I keep the content informative and entertaining. After making the content, I include a relevant link to the affiliate product or service in my bio or the video. This way, viewers can click the link to buy the product or service when watching my content. Second, I engage with my followers by actively responding to my followers' comments and messages. I can build relationships with them. This helps me build trust and increase conversions when people go through my affiliate links. Third, I track my results closely. I use analytics to track how many people click my affiliate links, how many leads are converted into paying customers, how much money I'm making. This helps me optimize my content to be more effective at generating sales. I can make money on TikTok with affiliate marketing by following these tips. Thanks for watching our video on TikTok affiliate marketing. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you want to stay updated with the latest updates, please subscribe to our channel and share your feedback by leaving a comment below. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing what you can achieve with TikTok affiliate marketing. Thanks again for tuning in, and happy affiliate marketing.